Hello guys. First of all, our project is to extract data from Twitter for a particular hashtag. Then we will analyze the sentiment of the public on Twitter. Web scraping is an automatic method for extracting large amounts of data from a website. For example, we want to collect data for Samsung, Realme, Redmi, OnePlus phones. With the use of web scraping, we extract data of above phones from the Flipkart or Amazon website. Now we will show you the Twitter web scraping and sentiment analysis using Twitter API. Let's look into the code. First of all, we import some required libraries. We import matplotlib.pyplot to plot our analysis into the graph. Import pandas to create data frame of the extracted data. Import VP to use Twitter API. Import sentiment intensity analyzer to check the sentiment of the tweets. For use of sentiment intensity analyzer, we should first download vendor lexicon using nltk.download. Now for use of Twitter API, first we should register to the developer platform of Twitter API. After the successful registration, we will get consumer key, consumer secret, access token secret from the profile, and that is used to authenticate for use of Twitter API. These are our authentication keys. This code is for authentication. First, we create an object with the name auth in which we give the consumer key and consumer secret with use of the OAuth handler module of PP. After that, we set the access token with module set access token. Then we authenticate these keys with the API of PP so that we can use the Twitter API and create object API for further use.
Now let's see how to extract tweets from Twitter. Firstly, we have the elevated or academic research access of Twitter API because we need premium version 1.1 of Twitter API, which is not accessible by the essential means standard access of Twitter API. Generally, we get the essential access only when we register on the Twitter API. Let's discuss the procedure of how to apply for academic or elevated research access. Academic research application, you should have academic ID, academic email address, and institute's website. You can submit your application on this website that you have to provide the description of the project and why you needed the Twitter API access. Your application reviewed within a month, maximum 2 days. Elevated access, it is for either individual or company use. With use of this website, you can apply for elevated access. If you need Twitter API for some small project or a college project, then my recommendation is to apply for individual elevated access. Let's look into the code. In this code, we extract the data and categorize this, analyze data into three types like positive tweets, negative tweets, and neutral tweets. With the use of cursor module and TweetPy search module, we extract the number of tweets for a particular keyword. First, we create a for list and three variable with value 0. Firstly, we create a for loop for extract data from tweets. First, append the tweets of text into tweet list. After that, now we use sentiment intensity analyzer dot popularity score module for score the variable. Score variable contains the negative, neutral, positive score of the tweet, which is put in the individual variable for further uses.
Here we use if else condition. If positive score is greater than negative, then append tweet into positive list and increment the positive variable. Similar for the two condition. Here we create a percentage function to get the percentage value. We calculate the percentage of positive, negative and neutral variables and round it into a single fraction number. Here is the data of the tweet list, which contains the tweets. Now let's try for some other keywords and see the data. So you can extract data for any keyword. Now we created a data frame of the list with the use of pd.dataframe module. Let's create a pie chart of our data. For creating a pie chart, we give a percentage of positive, negative, and neutral scores and use a plt.py module. For giving a title of pie chart, we use plt.title module and simply use show module to show the pie chart. Here is the pie chart of our tweet analysis. This is all about our project. I hope you understand what we delivered. You can find the code link of the GitHub in the description. If you have any query or question, please comment it. Thank you for watching the video.